Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can edit the drop-down menu on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder and here you can create a new site. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the sites that you created. And for example, if you want to edit a site, just go hover your mouse over it and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once you're here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find edit site. Click on edit site. And then this will redirect you to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this is the editor for Wix. Just wait for it until it finishes loading. And once the editor has loaded, this is how it will look like. And then here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. So right now, you can go here to pages and menu. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find site menu, store pages, blog pages, and lastly, your light boxes. So right now, I'm going to go to site menu. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your all of your menus. And this is basically the drop down menus. So you can just go, for example, to any drop down menu that you want. Click on it and this will take you directly to it. You can click on these three dots and then right here, you can go to its settings, SEO basics, social share, page background. You can convert it to dynamic page. You can rename it, duplicate it, copy it, set as home pages, hide from menu, main page, and lastly delete. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.